Hello student, welcome to the course of Computer Network. I hope that you have watched my previous video related to computer networks. Today we are going to study about types of network. Let's get started. Now we have seen what is network and what are the basic components of the network. As we know that networking is a very important in our day-to-day life. It is used for chatting purpose. It is used for sending mail, for video conferencing, for sharing files, and many more. So how we are going to divide the networks? How the networks are being categorized? The networks are being categorized depending upon the access and the form of connectivity. It is being categorized on the support of the devices. It is being on the size, on the location of the system. So you can say there are several types of network, each existing to support the devices, size and location of the system. If you are going to connect a Bluetooth headset to your laptop, then which type of network it will be? If you are going to use your college library system, then which kind of network it is? So today we are going to study the basic about types of computer network, and this basic is very important in our day-to-day life, in many of the competitive exam also, and for general knowledge purpose. So first we are going to study the basic is the first type of network, that is PAN, that is a personal area network. Now what is personal area network? Personal area network, it is the smallest and simplest type of network. It is the smallest and simplest type of network. The range is no larger than 10 meters. And the most basic example of personal area network is when user connect their system with any of the Bluetooth device. You are going to use the wireless connection to connect the smartphone, to connect the laptops. So this is a small home network, you can say. Like for example, at home you are going to connect your system with the printer, with the scanner. So that is the personal area network. Now what is the benefit of this personal area network? First is the affordability. That is, it is very much cheaper. Next is portability. Most device can be connected and it can be easily transported. Next is the reliability. Obviously there is a stable connectivity, so it is reliable and it is much more secure. So this is all about the basic of personal area network. You have to remember that personal area network is the smallest and simplest type of network. If you are going to connect any two device with the help of simple cable or the Bluetooth device, then it can be categorized as the personal area network. So this is the example. This is a simple diagram for the personal area network. Over here the laptop has been connected to the various other components, networking components. So first the smallest one was the PAN, that is a personal area network. Next is the LAN, that is the local area network. You all must be very familiar with the word LAN. Now what the LAN is? LAN is a computer network that connect computers together through a common communication path. Through the common path via the common Ethernet, for example, you are going to connect multiple computers for sharing of the resources, for sharing of the files. The best example for LAN you can imagine is your college lab, okay, or the college library, or the college office. That is a small section, okay, that is an example of the LAN. It can be wireless, It can be wired. It is much more secure. It is much more reliable. Ethernet is widely used for connection purpose. There can be wireless also. Wireless LAN is also now very much popular. So over here, you can just remember it by a LAN is a computer network that connect computer through a common communication path within a limited area. You have to remember that it is a within a limited area, that is either the college lab, either the college library. All these are the LAN example. So main purpose of LAN is either it can be connected to a server, or every computer can be independent and they can be connected, but basically there is a server through which the information is being shared. So here a basic example for LAN is been shown in the figure. And the most basic benefit of this LAN is resource sharing, secure data storage, fast communication. Resource sharing means if there is a lab might be having 30 computers, but in a lab there will be only one printer. Every student will be giving their print job to that particular printer. So over here the printer is shared among the students. Okay, so that is the purpose of the LAN, resource sharing. The data is stored. Okay, if it has been implemented using the thin client, then if LAN is implemented using the thin client structure, then the data is stored on the single server. The communication is fast, and you don't have to be very much worry about the configuration. So that is a basic example for LAN. Next is the campus area network. What is campus area network? Campus area network, it is a bigger than LAN. First was the personal area network. Then was the local area network. Next is the campus area network. Okay, so it is bigger than LAN, but it is smaller than MAN. Okay, so what the difference between these two configuration is that campus network connect LAN within a limited geographical area. It is going to connect multiple LAN, but only within the limited area. So the range varies from 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer. The major benefit is affordability, easy configuration, reliability, reliability and Wi-Fi hotspot creation. For example, in a college campus, multiple labs are being connected. So that is the campus area network. So here you can see just a basic example that every component, every area has been connected. From these libraries connected to hostel, okay, and to the college system. So this is the campus area network. Next is the MAN, that is the Metropolitan Area Network. Now it is an interconnection of several LAN throughout the city, throughout the town. It means over here MAN is smaller than wide area network. Okay, so it is an interconnection of several LAN, not every LAN, several LAN. Okay, it is going to cover the network larger geographical area of that of the LAN. For example, it can be used to connect various colleges in the city. It can be used in a city for connecting various banks. Okay, so that is the MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It is an interconnection of several LAN throughout the city. So this can be example of the LAN major benefit is efficient networking standard, high connectivity, and it is going to provide you with the municipal coverage, or you can say the stretching network connectivity by some kilometers. Next is the virtual private network. What is you might have heard in this session, COVID period, virtual private network. What is virtual private network? Virtual private network is a type of computer network that extend the private network across the internet and let the user send and receive the data as if they are connected to the private network even though they are not. Means even though they are not been connected to the private network, but it will provide the user with the view that only their particular systems are being connected and they are able to access all kind of resources. Through a virtual point-to-point connection, user can access a private network remotely, and you can protect you from the malicious source or from the malicious attack. So this is an example of virtual private network. And last is the wide area network. Wide area network is a type of computer network that connects the computer over the large geographical distance through a shared communication path. Okay, so means it is going to connect multiple LANs and there is no limitation, there is no restraint. It can be extended to as many locations. And the best example of the WAN is the internet. It is going to provide you with the large coverage. It is going to provide you with the high performance, with the increased security. So all these are the benefit of the WAN, that is the wide area network. So we have studied about first, that is a personal area network. Next is the local area network. Next is the campus area network. Next is the metropolitan area network, virtual private network, and the wide area network. Okay. Each one is going to have certain range and way in which it has been connected. So depending upon your need in your organization, you can either choose for you can either choose for LAN, and you can connect your system accordingly depending upon the span of your organization. I hope that you have understood the basic about type of network. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.